I just thought I'd share a little puzzling moment here where I was trying to align this surface into here, and you can see the CVs on the edge don't line up with the other CVs, which I want in this case to get a good continuity. So if I check the continuity, it's not accurate. And so what I'd usually do here is change the position influence up to 1 to make those CVs exactly the same. But you can see it's actually gone the wrong way, and for a moment there I was thinking, what's happening? How is this the same in 2023? So I went back and checked that, and then it suddenly occurred to me that the problem is that if we look at this one, we can see we've got 3 degree 3 by 4 single spans. If I go into this one, it's actually got 2 spans by accident. So if I change that down to 1 span, maybe bump the degree up if I needed to, now it immediately does the, or it would do if I hit the space bar, it would immediately align it. So hit the space bar and it's done it. So it's put the CVs in the place that I was hoping it would do, and now we've got continuity here.